Sarah, Paul, and Lucy are stressed as they find themselves stranded in unexpected circumstances. Meet Max, AXA Partners' virtual agent for roadside assistance who can assist with all their needs. His role is to ensure a tow truck arrives, provide a replacement car, answer any spontaneous questions, book a taxi for them. Max will support them for as long as they need him to. Max is multi-channel and multilingual. Sarah gets in touch with him in French through SMS, Paul and Lucy in Dutch through WhatsApp, and soon they will be able to reach him through Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, and Instagram when this service becomes available. Powered by advanced conversational artificial intelligence, Max is unlike usual chatbots, as he can hold human-like conversations. When Sarah asks a question, he provides an answer from a knowledge database. When Paul needs a car or taxi, he books it. When Lucy is unclear, he asks for clarity. And when Paul wishes to talk to a human, he transfers him to an agent. In this way, Max always provides the best possible answers 24/7. Max understands multiple intentions contained in a single message in many languages. With machine learning, after each conversation, Max improves and becomes more intelligent. Our customers love him. They exchange an average of 15 messages with Max. His performance has raised our customers' satisfaction, NPS, to over 70 and eased our agents' workload. Max, you really rock. Welcome to the next generation innovation.